we got a delivery from Amazon. So it is a tripod which my uncle ordered from Africa. So now we are going to open this. So we are opening this. My brother is also joining in this. So we are opening it, guys. It's kinda. So I'll get my fingers. Whoops. So the tape came off. I'll keep this tape away. Whoops. So it's kind of hard. It is sticking to my hand every time. So I am cutting it neatly. So guys, I'm opening every single part of this. How much did they wrap this car? Guys, after removing all the package, we got this box and it is looking in such like this. Benro, let's go. So support gear it is. So let's open that. There is a package you're opening here, so we should just do like this. Turn off the hole and open the box. Oops. There is another package inside of it. So there is this silica gel which will give in anything, any boxes of. So here I remove that. It is the back of the tripod. So I'm opening it carefully from the zip. Ooh, guys. Did you saw this? It's very heavy also, and it is durable, nice. So here are some sections. So here are some sections. Section 4, maximum height 1450 millimeters, 57.09. Normal height 1210 millimeters and 47.64. Folded 485 millimeters, and it is maximum 19.09. And there are 3 ways to open this. So first let's cut off this one. Yeah, ready. So it is looking like this after opening all the packaging in it. So now let's assemble it. So this is the tripod, and it is having some clips here. I'm going to say the features of this now. So it's having the clips here, like these are super duper strong and adorable. So you just needed to do like this, 1, 2, 3, and here we are having 3 clips at there also. So in middle there is a long stick, and for keeping the phone on the stand, they came this one, which will come in such way. We just needed to loose down the screw from it. Let me loose it down. We just needed to loose it down from here. So here we loose it down, and there is a stand for keeping the phone, and here is the screw and die for it. So there is having a little thing here to press it down, and we can screw it on easily. And let me show you all the features now. Here are like a bubble here. Bubble is here to check the it is straight or wrong. I think so. It is not for that purpose, I think so. Let's keep this die here on this one and up. It's not like that. Let me show you that. So we just needed to keep this at corner first in such way neatly, and we just needed to, here there is a free lock. We just needed to open that free lock, and this is that. We kept it off, and it looks nice, and I like this. This is so much nice, and this is super duper adorable, strong and nice. So there is a thing like this, so we can just die. So we can just lose it off, and it will be tight, make it tight. So here is I think we can just show the angle with this. It's for angle purpose. We can turn the camera like for angle purposing. So for turning this 2 sides, there is a die like this here. It's like a wheel. We just needed to loose it down like this, and it rounds like a perfect circle. For let's came it in front like this, and here the loose die will be loose. We just needed to make it tight like this, and here is our tight. So let's check the height of this. So here is a die for it. This is for making the upper one height. So we just needed to loose this die on here like this, and here we are having this one. Just make it like this, and it will go heighter, and it will be heighter. See, so it's this much of height. We just needed to tighten down the die again, and let me show you the height of it. It's here, and here are some measurements. I think so. You cannot see it because the camera is on lighting. Let me show you the real height of it. So one tier is standard up, and the height of this looks like this. Let me show you from far. This is that much of height. Let me show you the second one also, second tier also. So it's second tier also. Let me show you the second tier height from far. So this is the second tier, and there are 3 layers from it, and the 4th layer is this one. You can have a look on it. So let me arrange the 3rd layer also. So the 3rd layer looks like this with all the things, I mean all the arrangement. So here is the die, which is like this here and here. We can fix removing like this. Just there is a free lock. We just needed to remove that and just open it from the top like this, and we got the key. Now we just needed to fix it to the camera like this, and our camera will be like this. Guys, if you like our unboxing video, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more interesting videos. Bye bye.